Okay, I'm starting my video over here. So previous class we exactly done how to complete our typing class. Okay, so I have already downloaded my typing master. So I want to uninstall that first. How we can uninstall typing master? I am first showing you that. Okay, see, we need to go to the first control panel. We need to search over here in the search engine control panel. After go and click on control panel. Okay, right now you are directly, when you are clicking over your control panel, you are directly launching where all control panel items. Okay, now what we gonna do, we just need to click on control panel. I want to go to the one step back. Okay, so you can see right now I have the program option. In that program you can see the down we have the uninstall a program option. Just click over there so you can directly check how many applications you have. Okay, now let me check where is the typing master. Typing, let me see T for typing master. I get it. Now right click over here and I want to say uninstall. See what they are saying. Are you surely you want to completely remove typing master 11 and all it's a component, means I want to uninstall application plus a dependency whatever we have. Okay, now just I want to say yes, I want to uninstall. So this is a process is right now going on position. Okay, yes, I want to uninstall everything. See, right now it's uninstalled. Uninstall process complete. Yes, say okay. They just want to give to the feedback about that Microsoft. Okay, I don't want to give to the feedback. Just closing that. Okay, now when I am searching over here, typing master, I don't have, right? So how we can install typing master? Just go to the Chrome or any browser, whatever you have. Okay, choose any browser. I want to choose a Google Chrome because it's a favorite one. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Okay, choose any account, whatever you want. Okay, I already chooses my account. Now type on search engine what typing master. Okay, typing master, master. Okay, and download. Just hit enter button. We need to go to the first over here. This is what https www.typingmaster.com and free download. Okay, just click over here. Okay, clicking. Now you can see there is an option download now. Click. You can see in the top of left corner, sorry, right corner, you can see there is downloading started. And where exactly is downloading in your download folder? Okay, let's check. 5, 3, 4, 2, 1 second. It's process complete. Done. Okay. Now I can close my window. There is no issue. Now you need to go to over again the search engine and search over here File Explorer. File Explorer are help me to explore my all files in my computer. Okay. So I'm going to the click on File Explorer. Okay, and where exactly I have downloaded that file, you can see in download folder. Okay, this is all folder I have. You can see over here today's date I'm downloading typing master. Okay, now this is only right now I downloaded. Okay, again we need to that install this application. Okay, how we can install? Just double click for on that file and just say run. I want to install this application. Okay, install only for me. Okay, choose the language English. Okay, now after that there says welcome to the typing master 11 setup wizard. Yes, I want to say next. Okay, without terms and condition they cannot say to go to the next. Obviously we need to agree that terms and conditions and it will be allowed to the go to the next. Now this is the path. Automatically we can choose the path. When you are choosing the path, just click on the next button. Okay, don't do any check uncheck this kind of stuff. Whatever we have by default settings we want. Okay, now after that go to the next and just say next, next and install. Nothing we need to apply anything. Just next, next, next process. Okay, don't worry, whatever I'm doing it already recording. Okay, now you want to start a typing master. If you can try start, it will be automatically start, but I don't want to automatically start my typing master and finish. Okay, now installation process has been completed. Okay, now you can close this file explorer. Okay, now go to the search engine and just type over here typing master. You can see right now it's an application over here. Now just one click, my typing application will be open. Okay, after that say continue. Okay, now give you a name. I already written my name Rohit. Okay, just say enter. Okay, after that launch and just say start now. Okay, now after that start now, you can see this is my home row and this is all about the lesson I need to cover. Okay, in this first lesson how we can start, just click over here first. See, it's a started. Now what they are saying, what is exactly the touch typing? Touch typing is a technique for typing quicker and more accurately with all 10 fingers, right? Without ever having to look at the keyboard. But to be honestly, when we are the new, we need to see our keyboard. Okay, it's a mandatory. But after you're having a practice and practice, a lot of practice, we do not need to see our keyboard also. Now let's go to the next. Okay, now what they are saying, just put like a finger whatever they are showing inside a picture. Okay, even you can see they already given you all instructions what we need to do, but it is simple only. I need to use this all fingers where they exactly located. Okay, now just say next. Okay, and even how we can move to the finger to the another somewhere else, they also showing. Okay, now just say next. Okay, next. Okay, so this is you can see when you are completing your first lesson, it will be select, it's completed. Now go with the second lesson, that's called home row. Okay, click over here. You can see they even are showing us how we can use the finger with the color. See, a little finger with the which color and the which color of the A, right? So they are already said everything. Before we starting, we need to long press our space bar. Okay, let me press long press done and just releasing. Okay, now they are saying use your little finger and put on the A. See, A complete, great. Now use the what this finger, left ring finger, and just click on S. Okay, now again same, use your middle finger and use what, D. Okay, so this is we need to do a practice. Okay, right now I'm doing C, F, okay, J, K, L, okay, and the this one. Okay, now again long press the continue button means space bar. Now do that. A space, S space, D space, F O. I when I'm clicking a wrong button, you can see they are just using cross means you are doing a mistake. So let me do that. F space. Okay, now again J space, K space, after L space, and this space, right? After A space, D F C. When you are clicking a wrong button, see it's saying a wrong. So this is you need to complete your practice as much as possible. Okay, suppose right now I completed the process here. When you going to the next, you can seeing the result also. So this is even I am not clicked it correctly, all are problematic. Getting? So let me go to the outside. And even when you are completing this lesson, we have the, if suppose we are bored anytime, so we have the another games also. We can play games and do a practice also. Okay, how we can do before to going, let me check what is the time, 8:48. Okay, no issue. So if suppose I want to go to this game, bubble game, click over here start and just say next. See there they are added A. I want to A use D, F, D, A, K, J, right? This is practice. Now if suppose I didn't complete any letter and it will be touched to the top. So what happened? You can see the this miss will be a showing over here. Miss, you miss your chances. And when you are all miss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chance will be a miss, it will be showing game over. Okay, so this is one game I have next, and even they are showing the scores also. Okay, now we have the second game, world trees. Okay, just click over here and just next button. Okay, we need to type this word castle, right? Done, space, jala, space, fl, space, la sa, space, f a Okay. After AA das space. Okay. Alas space. See how I doing fast. See, done. Even it's not a touching down also. So you can see if that my word is touched to the bottom means what exactly? I miss my one chance. And when that bucket will be a full fill, you are losing your game. Check it. Now the game over. Okay, this is we have the second task. Even you can see my score. So I'm not making a lot of score. So you need to make that. Again, we have the clouds also, clouds games. Just go over here, cloud, and say next. Okay. So what I we need to write this word flaska, right? And space. See like that, we have the game. Okay. Now, after that, when we want to shift that, we need to use a space button. See, after that, what? Sa card, right? Done. So, like that. And see, when I'm missing this kind of stuff, you can see over here, when I'm missing this, my miss my chance, right? Let's see. Getting, see, missing chance. See, like that. And it's taken too much time. Let me cancel it. So this is we have the game also. Even we can go to the study mode also. Okay. So this is all about this our practice and assignment. We can do the gaming plus we can do the practice also. Okay, this is all about the typing master. Typing masters are help me to do without seeing my keyboard. I can type very fastly. Why it's necessary? Because I don't think so if we are using computer we cannot able to live without the keyboard, right? We need to use a keyboard constantly. Okay, so let me just close it. So this is all about the typing master.